Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect a brand new PlayStation 5 controller to your PlayStation 5. Let's jump right into this. So I will mention this will work for a brand new PlayStation 5, or it will work for a brand new PlayStation 5 controller that you want to connect to your already existing PlayStation 5. Because we don't have a sync button like exists on the Xbox Series S or the Xbox Series X, there's no way to wirelessly connect a controller to our PlayStation 5, so we're going to have to use a USB-C cable instead. I would recommend using the original one from your PlayStation 5, or any USB-C cable that includes data should work fine. However, I'd recommend using the USB-C cable that was included with your PlayStation 5. From this point, we're going to be connecting the USB-C part of our cable into our PlayStation 5 controller, and now we're going to be connecting the USB part of our cable into our PlayStation 5. From this point, all you need to do is press the power button on your PlayStation 5, and it should start to sync automatically. From this point, once you connect your controller for the first time, you'll probably get this pop-up on your PlayStation 5 screen to ask if you want updates. I would always recommend updating your controller when you can, and you will need to leave it plugged in for this update to actually happen. If you disconnect your controller instantly after connecting it, you will no longer be able to update until you plug it back in. So I'd recommend just updating it from this point, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And just like that, your controller can be connected. Now from this point, if you are on your home screen and you have not selected an account to sign in, your controller may not work. And that's because you can only use one controller on the dashboard at a time. So to actually test this, you simply need to press the PlayStation button again on your PlayStation 5 controller and select an account to sign in, and then it should work on your dashboard, and your original controller will no longer work on your dashboard until you sign in with a controller on that. Or if you're in a game, of course they will both work at the same time, but sadly on the dashboard only one controller can be used at a time. And it's as easy as that to connect the PlayStation 5 controller to your PlayStation 5. Anyway guys, I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members. Sean Daly, Joshua Davis, and Devontae Hunt. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button in any video and it will really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.